We are in the key of F sharp, and we are gonna do I'm just gonna show you how you can flow in Itende, right? During intercession or during prayer. First, I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna play the flow, and then from there, so I don't have my sustainer on, and then from there I will break down the chords that I'm using. Very simple chords that you can use if you are playing Itende, or if you wanna play Itende during intercession or during prayer. Let's go, right? Okay, let's break down the chords. So first I'm playing, so I'm working to six basically, right? But now here's the tricky part. So usually, I mean, this is like a movement that you'll play when you playing we give you honor and glory, right? But with obviously a little bit different tempo here, depending on how they'll be singing. But when I'm playing this progression, I'm not thinking about the song we give you honor and glory. So hence now you might be saying it's almost like the same movement, but actually I'm not thinking about the song, right? I'm just thinking about this sound that this progression brings. So I mean, normally you'll do this, right? But in my case, I'm moving up to six only with my right hand, but with my left hand, I'm just staying here on three. So this is how it goes. And I'm using only trichords, right? I'm moving from major chord of F sharp, so from one, then I descend. So the first chord is this one here. On my left hand, I'm on three. On my right hand, I'm playing this, the second inversion of six. And then the second chord, I'm now descending with my left hand to four. And then with my right hand, I'm playing the second inversion of five, right? So while I'm here on four, I play this second inversion of four. This second inversion of four. While I'm still here. So it's then I go back to my three while I'm playing the root note of one on my right hand. Then I'm going to four. Right? Let's do that again slowly. The walk up is this. Then I play this passing chord, which gives me some A sharp minor before going to 4. So from here, I'll play this A sharp diminished. Sorry, not A sharp minor, A sharp diminished. I said minor. A sharp diminished. Then I go to 4. So this basically, I mean, on my right hand, I'm playing this 6 sharp note. I'm playing 3. I'm playing 5. On my left hand, I'm playing this 6 sharp. Right? Or if you want to call them in letters, I mean, I'm on E, B flat, C sharp. Right? Then this, that A sharp diminished. Then I'm going to 4. Your normal 4, how you know it. The root note of 4. Then I'm going to 5. Then that progression, it ends here on 1. So from 4, I'm going to 5. While I go to 5, on my left hand, on my right hand, I'm playing the second inversion of 1. Before I go to the actual 5, then I go to 1. I hope you got that. Now let's play the entire progression, right, slowly. So another thing that you'll notice that I'm doing, right, I'm always voicing out like whatever. So if my thumb is here, for instance, if I'm playing, let me just say I'm playing the root note of 1, right? I always play the octave of this note here with my pinky. It kind of like it makes a difference even when you play it, right? It's like you're stamping that sound. Yeah, and that's the progression that you can play during intercession or during prayer in Itende, and I hope this will help you to improve your playing.